What's happening, YouTubers? It's me, Brian Hicks. Just making a short little video of this 9923855 original. This thing right here has been completely repainted by myself, except for the blade brackets, which were in good shape. There was a little bit of rust action going on, and it just needed to be redone. It's unfortunate, you know, but hey, sometimes you got to do that. It's 21 years old. Not every one of these can survive in perfect condition. It's just part of it. As time marches on, more and more of these are going to show up in poor shape. As you've probably seen the other video that I just recently uploaded about that guy over there, I had to do a complete repaint on him too. So this, not, like I said, is at 99, 77th day. You guys that like to have fun with that can tell me when exactly. I think that's sometime in early mid-March. So it's right at 21 years old. So without further ado, I'm gonna start it off on low. It's a little bit noisy on the startup because it's not pumping oil, because I only have a little bit of it in there, just enough to take care of the bearings. Because I haven't ran it much, and I'm not going to run it much, as it will be sold. Can't talk for some reason today, and we'll be going away from here. Firing melting up to medium. Rattling you hear is the center fan tapping against that because of the vibrations of the blades from the other fans. I will be making a video of this before I take it down, but it cannot run. I'm not sure what I'm going to do because I don't have enough space in here really for 3 fans. The center fan was supposed to be kind of like the fan that just stayed in here, and it's too big. Anyway, I'm going to take this thing on up to high speed. These are extremely badass on high. Always have been, always will be. It feels like a hurricane in here. Wind speed out of them has always been phenomenal. I take a little quick look out the door. You see, I have another one right there. That's a Chinese fan. Anyway, time for the spin down, which everybody seems to like. Bought this fan and 4 others at an auction. I actually paid $150 for it plus a 10% buyer's fee. So I paid basically $660 for the whole lot of them. Thank God I can claim it on my taxes. Uh-oh. Kind of had a little glitch in the matrix there. I don't know if this entire video is going to save or not. Well, we'll see. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.